the natural way. Warm welcome to our friends from the media. I'd like to acknowledge you all. From Zen Health, thank you very much for coming. Natural Wellness, Health and Fitness. Thank you also to Philippine Daily Inquirer Libre, Commuter Express, Philippine Daily Inquirer, Business Mirror, Manila Times, Daily Tribune, Manila Bulletin, and Manila Bulletin Entertainment, and Cook Magazine. And of course, welcome as well to our blogger friends who always accommodate our invitation. Tonight, Trailblazers will join us. They are extraordinary people who do not only lead significant lives, but also make life significant for others. But before we go there, I'd like to have a briefer on our thesis for tonight, which is the essence of leading a healthy lifestyle the natural way. And to help us with that, I'd like to introduce a very special person. I'd like you to welcome in front Dr. Marthoni P. Basco, your friendly pediatrician from the medical city, Far Eastern University, Nicanor Reyes Medical Foundation, and Fed Del Mundo Hospital. Please welcome Dr. Marthoni P. Basco.
Thank you so much. This evening, we are gathered not only for information, but also for change. And Dr. Basco would like that, to inform you, to influence you, and eventually to persuade you into a healthy lifestyle. No? And one of them is a living testimony. Ito kaibigan natin, Mr. Danny Javier. No? So, I'd like to instruct our staff to distribute yung ating life oil ticket. If you don't have the ticket, you won't win a prize. Ayan, pabigay natin nga yung mga life oil tickets natin. Ayan, wait lang ha. So I think everyone has eaten. Sino dito yung vloggers? Taas po ang kamay ng vloggers natin. Thank you. Is this the first time with life oil? Yes, okay. Kasi ginawa namin to several years back. Sige, kasama silang lahat. Sila Ma'am Gwen, sila Ma'am Pearl. Huwag lang yung asawa ko kasi alam niya yung mga sagot dyan. Si Sir Danny, bigyan yan. Lahat. Hindi, siguro hatiin mo na para makapagbigay na rin sila mga airpods. Okay. So, that's your ticket to wellness. Yan, ha? We are not providing pens, but you should have a healthy nail. Yan, ha? Dapat may nail kayo to cross out. So, there are 15 nga ba, Sir Danny? 15 yung nakalagay. 1, 2, 3, 15. 15, okay? Can you show me your ticket? Pakita kayo mga tickets natin. Tickets. Now, I'll make this interactive para hindi tayo mabore, no? Now, you only have 2 movements. If you agree with the question and you believe that it is true, that it is a fact, you need to stand up. Stand for the truth. Ganyan tayo, ha? However, if you don't believe that it is true, then you need to sit down. You don't move. And then if your answer is correct, whether it's a myth or a fact, it will be determined by the succeeding slides. Okay tayo? So are we ready? Yes. Ulit. Are you guys ready? Yes. Kaya natin to, ha? Kaya natin to. So this is now the Life Oil Challenge. We'll have 10 questions by honesty na lang po. So Danny, by honesty, ha? Ano lang, ha? Okay. Questions and answers unfold. We would like to confirm what you already know about Moringa. We would like to correct your misconceptions, and you would like to share the knowledge if ever there's something new that you will learn for tonight. Okay? So, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to have fun? Yes. Have fun, hindi funny, ha? Fun, hindi funny. Okay, first question. You need to stand up if it's true, or if you agree with it. If you don't, you just sit down. Is it a myth or a fact? Plants are the only species that can produce their own food. I'll give you 5 seconds to decide. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Honesty na lang. 4 yung naniniwala that plants are the only species that can produce their own food. Ang sagot po, it is a fact. So kayong 4 na tumayo, paki-cross out po 1 cell. Palakpakan natin sila. They know their biology. Paki-cross out with your healthy fingernail. Ayan, ha? By photosynthesis, plants. We need plants, no? Kaya sila yung unang ginawa bago humans, no? It's biblical. It's biblical. Okay tayo? Number 2, myth or fact? Upo na ho kayo, sorry. Malungai is known to increase breast milk production in lactating mothers. Tayo o hindi? Ha? 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nakatayo na kayo. Ma'am, ikaw?
Tayo, hindi ako makatayo.
Hindi ka makatayo. Bigyan ng light mo yan. It's a fact. It's a fact po, no? Yan, no? You need to cross it out. Galapagos po ang tawag dito, no? Moringa influences the pituitary. It's the major gland in the body. It's in between the brain. However, not only Moringa should be used for breastfeeding or lactation. Dapat, meron ding suckling. So, hindi pwede na walang sumususo, no? Para magkaroon ka ng mas maraming gatas. Okay? Kailangan merong sumisipsip. Kaya kahit kambal, kaya. Kaya. But it will be more enhanced with Moringa. Ayan ha? Para sa mga parents dito. Pwedeng si nanay, tapos yung dalawang anak niya. Pwede. Number 3. The product of photosynthesis in plants is carbon dioxide. True or false? 5 seconds po. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ilan na tumayo? 6 kayo. Tignan natin. It is false. So, yung mga nakaupo, ayun po ang nanalo. Yung mga nakaupo, yung market. Yung mga hindi tumayo, oxygen. Kaya yan ang binabanggit natin because we are now scaling down from being healthy to going to natural. Yung mga hindi tumayo, you need to cross. Yung mga 5-6 na tumayo, sorry po, oxygen po. Ang kailangan po ng plants, water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. Ang kanyang fruit would be, or yung magiging result, would be oxygen and plant sugars, which we call fruits, vegetables, etc. Okay? So, yung iba ha, daliri ang gamitin nyo, daliri. Are you having fun? Ito po ang team ha, galaw-galaw para huwag pumanaw. Okay? Kasi iba lang, kaupo lang, tawa-tawa lang. Tawa-tawa. Myth or fact? Moringa contains vitamin C similar to oranges. Ay, tayo kayo kung naniniwala kayo. Yung iba maupo, ganyan ha, okay? Yan ha, nakita ito ni Dr. Martin. Okay, tingnan natin ha, sino yung mga nakatayo? Okay, tingnan po natin ang sagot. It is not true. So yung nakaupo ang nanalo. Bakit? Because Moringa has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. Ay, wala eh. Ha? Kasi kanina pinapakita kung ito similar yung tinanong natin. Similar, ha? It has more. Yan po yung base sa research ni Doc. Nakangopya lang na. Huwag kasi kopya-kopya. Ayan, ha? Pagka-kopya-kopya, Moringa contains 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. So if you have bleeding gums, if you have problems with your skin, with your bone, maybe you should take not oranges but Moringa. Okay? You need to take vegetables, not fruits. Ito pa. Ito nakita nyo kanina dun kay Dr. Martin eh. Ito naman. Milk contains 4 times more calcium than Moringa. Is it true or false? True. Hindi ko alam. Tumayo kayo or upo. Milk contains 4. Ayaw na tumayo ni Daddy. Ha? Tumayo. Milk contains 4 times more calcium. Tingnan natin. It's false. So yung mga nakaupo, may score kayo. Bakit? Because Moringa contains 4 times more calcium than milk. So for those who are lactose intolerant, like pag nag-ice cream ka or milk, di ba? Minsan nagkakaroon ng indigestion, maybe you don't need to take calcium tablets from GNC. Mura lang yun eh. Baka kailangan mo Moringa. Okay? For calcium, ha? Next. Vitamin A is found only in green leafy vegetables. True or false? Tatayo or nakaupo? 5 seconds po. Ayaw nang tumayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The tricky word here is only. Ayan ha. So you can have vitamin, may score kayo dahil nakaupo kayo. Hindi dahil tamad kayo. Hindi dahil pinag-iisipan nyo talaga, I hope. Merong plant sources, by beta-carotene ang tawag, yung animal source, retinol. And Moringa has 4 times vitamin A than carrots. So, rich in vitamin A, rich in calcium, rich in vitamin C, according to the study of Dr. Martin. Ayan na. And what is vitamin A good for? Di ba ginagamit ang vitamin A daw for antioxidant properties? So, di ba sabi nila, pero ang banggit lang namin dito, ang vitamin A mas maganda sa skin kesa sa mata. Nagkataon yung nagpo-promote Bisaya. Bilangin nyo ha, honesty tayo, honesty. Opo, honesty. Okay ba tayo? Okay pa. Eating moringa every day increases the chances of being healthy. True or false? Kayo, hindi ko alam. Tayo kayo kung naniniwala kayo. Pag hindi kayo naniniwala, nakaupo kayo. May testimony pa. True kayo, true. Ma'am, ikaw, hindi mga tayo. True. Matas dapat kamay mo. Tingnan natin yung sagot. It is false. Sorry ha. Sorry. Tandaan, bakit? Ito po ang paliwanag natin. Macro versus micronutrient. Moringa is classified as a micronutrient source. And we need the three macro. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Kailangan yun for healthy living. Basta in moderation. Sabi nga ni Dr. Martin, half a kilo every day of moringa can save you. But can you do that? We can't. Kaya nga meron tayong live oil. So preparation is essential. Why? Because some are in powder form, some are in true form, yung niluluto, kaya lang nawawala yung essence. Kaya dapat preserve, conserve. Yan, ha? So yan yung nasa harapan nyo mamaya. Arctic fishes, are you familiar with that? Ito yung mga deep sea fishes. Sila yung may mga omega fatty acid. True or false? The only excellent source of omega fatty acids. Ha? Ito trick word dyan. Only. Bakit? Saan ba nakikita ang omega? Omega fatty acids, no? Arctic fishes, tuna, salmon, and moringa is the only plant source of omega fatty acids. That's very important for nerve cells and for your heart para maging flexible yung ating mga blood vessels, no? So may points kayo dyan. Kasi hindi naman kayo tumayo Paki-scratch na lang po ng inyong healthy nails. Private Team Hall is the co-lead in Saving Private Ryan. True or false? 5, 4. Alam mo yung Saving Private Ryan? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Palagay ko kayo hindi kayo tumayo, hindi nyo alam. Private Team Hall, may score po kayo because hindi kayo tumayo, is the acronym for all the essential amino acids. We have 21, And Moringa is the only plant. Ulitin ko ha, it is the only plant with complete essential amino acids. Private Team Hall, phenylalanine, valine, tryptophan, isoleucine, methionine, histidine, asparagine, leucine, and lysine. Kaya kung tinawag yung essential amino acids, you need to have a daily dose of these. And apparently, however, the Filipino and human diet, as a matter of fact, is not complete. We cannot be supplied continuously unless you take supplements, which will cost you. Meron ka ng natural, moringa, the only plant with complete essential amino acids. It's not my claim. It's in the papers. It's in the blog. How are your scores? May price po ito, ha? Pero mo, saan ka nakakita? Kumain ka na ng libre, nandito pa si Danny, si Gwen, si Lapern, andyan pa si Andy. Lumaki yung network mo sa vlog, no? Tapos meron ka pang premyo, nakinig ka lang. Diba? Saan ka nakakita ng ganun? Dito lang po, ngayong gabi lang. Ngayong gabi lang. Last trip na. Live oil is the only oil-based preparation of moringa. True or false? Tumayo kayo kung naniniwala kayo. Upo kayo pagka hindi. Opo, ayan ha? Ayan. Ako natatakot ng iba kasi last trip na po. Live oil is the only oil-based preparation of moringa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Honesty lang po. It is false. Bakit? Ito nga, hindi ka tumitingin sa akin, nakatalikod ka. Hindi oil-based, oil extract. Walang additive, bakit po? Walang additive. Akin yan. Original yung slide. Hindi ka tumitingin sa akin Ang moringa po, hindi oil-based. Hindi siya hinaluan. Kasi yung ibang mga syrup, preparations, kailangan merong oil-based to preserve. Ito pong moringa live oil, oil extract from the seed, from the leaves, no, ng moringa or malunggay. It contains multivitamins, minerals, amino acid, phytochemicals, and chlorophyll. Ayan, ha?
Pero only pa rin.
The only oil extract of moringa tree in the world yan, ha? Only pa rin, only.
That's my point.
Ayan. Mali-mali sagot mo. Oil-based, oil-based. Okay? Ano pa? All plants have chlorophyll. And they possess the same qualities. So, mag-ready na yung mga blue boys natin for the blue light. Andiyan na ba sila? True or falls? O, tatayo kayo or nakaupo lang. Ha? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tumayo ka, ma'am? Very good, ha? All plants have chlorophyll and possess the same qualities. Ha? Pero do you believe that all plants have chlorophyll? That's what makes them green. Oo. Pero ang di kayo naniniwala dun sa second statement, ayun, same quality. Ito po ang sagot dyan. It's different. Oo, ma'am. Sorry ha. So yung mga hindi tumayo, you have a score. Patutunayan po yan ng mga blue boys natin. Blue boys no? Because we have a special kind of light. Ito po yung light na UV light. Ginagamit po natin ito. Dapat ipakita sa kanila sa table nila. I-demonstrate po nila sa table ninyo. No po. O, tingnan niyo po muna ha. Chlorophyll is quite potent as an energy source. Dr. Martin calls this as energeutical. It is a new term. Pharmaceutical, synthetic, no? Ang energeutical, energy source, no? And we get this from plants alone. Okay? Now, there are different spectrums of light sources. At ang sabi nila, chlorophyll absorption spectrum of visible light is higher. Higher ang energy source from the lower wavelength, which is blue, to the higher wavelength, which is red-orange. Pag higher wavelength, higher absorbance, higher ang energy source. So if you have products who claim to have chlorophyll, titignan po ninyo kung anong kulay ang kanyang nire-reflect when it is subjected to blue light. And we have our actual demonstration. Eh, dapat papatayin natin ilaw. Ganito ang gawin natin ha. Meron kayong capsule ng life oil in your table. Tama? Ininom nyo. Expired po yun eh. Just for demonstration. Then, kunin yung natawa si Dan. Kunin yung mga nasa ibang table. Ayan ha. Isa lang naman ang, ay, piniga mo na. Dapat sila pinagpiga mo para makita nila sa kamay nila. Ulitin mo yan. Kunin niya kasi kayo magpiga sa kamay ninyo. Hindi, meron pong pampiga. You do that also on the other table. Dalawa po yung blue light natin eh. The blue light is being used for marine, ano yan? Money laundering, hindi money laundering, ano yun? Ultraviolet. Ultraviolet, hindi ultraviolet, ultraviolet.
Checking the watermark.
Yeah, yung watermark. Hindi, may tawag tayo dyan eh. Counterfeit, para counterfeit.
So blue light is the same as ultraviolet?
No, ang ultraviolet po yung nandun sa Moringa. Blue light is the one that can demonstrate what kind of chlorophyll that you have. O, patayin yung ilaw, tapos titignan natin yung kamay ninyo, yung kumiga. Tingnan ninyo, patay po ninyo yung ilaw para makita. Dapat dito kila Sir Danny, meron din eh. Ano pong kulay nakita mo, Sir? Anong kulay po? Ha? Sige, Sir. Anong kulay po nakikita nyo ngayon?
Colorblind ako, sir.
Mami, anong color po nakikita nyo?
Orange.
Pagka-orange, anong nakalagay dito? It is higher wavelength, no? On the right. Diyan sa side ninyo. Anong kulay nakikita po ninyo? Ay, hindi naabot, sorry. Ha? Nakakakita? Red? Doon po sa kabilang side. What color can you see from your fingers? Orange. So po, kagaya ng binanggit natin kanina, the higher the spectrum approaching red and orange, the better it is. Kita natin ha, kayo po may hawak niyan, hindi po kami. Kayo po ang nakakita ng chlorophyll dyan po sa Moringa Life Oil as a brand. Dito pakita rin natin kila Sir Danny. Oo ha, lagay natin sa plato. O, tissue paper. Oh, ha? Dito rin kala Sir Danny, pakita rin natin. Ayan, oh. Nakita rin ni Sir Danny, oh. Dito, kila Gwen. Oh. Sila pag pagtusungin mo sila niyan, pagtusungin mo sila. So you've seen red, orange, from green, sa naked eye, you've seen the transformation. And we claim, and it is part of science, that when chlorophyll emits a color close to red and orange, higher wavelength, high absorbance, potent energy source. So if you do have other products in the market that claims to have chlorophyll, subject them to the blue light challenge. Subject them. And if their color is close to red and orange, then their chlorophyll is quite equal with this brand, no, called Life Oil. So yan po, hindi yan claim. It is a fact. Ayan, ha? Oh, so chlorophylls are not created equal. Okay? O, bukas na po natin ilaw. Hindi na kami makita ni Danny, tsaka ni Andy. Yes, sir.
Sir, do we have other capsules that we can check to show other colors?
Oh, this is up for you to know. Oo, ha? Part ng ano natin yan, ng game. Oo. Do we have other claimants, ha? Oo. Sa Mercury, pagpunta ka, sabi yung chlorophyll. May bibigay sila sa yung mga products. Kasi test mo kagad. Dapat may blue light. Yung score mo, baka mabigyan ka ng libreng life oil. O, tayo mo uli sa bahay. Pero subo mo, sayang eh. O. So the fact is, Moringa is a miracle tree. Tree of life. Oo. It can prevent particular conditions. It can cure you of several illnesses. And it is therapeutic, meaning if you don't have an illness, it will prevent you from having one. Okay? So 1 to 2 capsules, kita mo lumiliyab pa. 1 to 2 capsules in a day lang muna. Oo. So that for me is a miracle in itself. A miracle in our midst, a miracle in a capsule. Yan yon. Being healthy the natural way, Moringa. Dr. Basco po. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Thank you.